Kilo 9 4105, standby, over.
I think it was 141. Sorry, I missed the unit number, my friend. Missed the unit number, but anyway, very good afternoon. Very good afternoon from 68 World Radio 048 Northern Ireland Mobile QSL.
Attention, my friend. Station 14 Kilo 9 4105, Center West France. Back to you.
Okay, 4105. 4105. You're 59. 59 in Northern Ireland QSL.
Yes, okay, my friend. 73. My operator name is Gilles. Golf India Lima Echo Sierra. QTH Center West France, 200 kilometers in the south of Paris. Okay, my friend, back to you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, just your signal just went up to 59 plus. Very good conditions. My name is Marty. My handle Marty, like Mike Alpha Radio Tango Yankee QSL.
Attention, my friend. Marty, Mike Alpha Romeo Tango Yankee. It is correct, my friend?
Roger. That is correct. And working conditions. We're running Kenwood, transceiver Kenwood, Tango Sugar 480. Where are we now? And around 130, 130 whiskies. Mobile antenna, Stereo 5000 on a magnetic base. Over.
Yes, okay, my friend, 100%. Very good signal, my friend. 559, 57559 at the moment. Okay, thank you for your condition. My working condition in France in the Yaesu Foxtrot Tango 757 and the 100 watts. In the antenna, in the 2 element horizontal, in the Hotel Bravo 9, Charlie Victor. Okay, my friend, back to you.
Okay, sorry, your antenna, just your antenna again, please.
The antenna is Hotel Bravo 9, Charlie Victor, in the 2 element horizontal, in the directive. Back to you.
Okay, and I'm not familiar with that antenna. I'm not familiar with that antenna. But anyway, working very well, obviously. Working very well, as I say, 59 plus. And my location, I'm just maybe 15 miles northwest of Belfast. Belfast, the capital. Little town called Antrim, like Alpha November Tango Romeo India Mike. A little town called Antrim. On the map, 3-4 miles from Belfast International Airport. Over.
Yes, okay, my friend, 100% for your QTH, no problem, my friend. Okay, my friend, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the night QSO. It's a good condition tonight. The very good propagation. Okay, my friend, 73. Good DX. Good luck. Bye bye, my friend.
Okay, thank you very much, Mercy. Nice to work your station. I wish you good luck, good DX, and most important, good health. I hope you stay healthy, you and your family, my friend. Bye-bye.
Yes, okay, my friend, 72, and you and your family, okay? Sorry for my English, bye-bye.
Okay, your English very, very good. My French, zero. I know. Okay, good luck and good health. QRZ, please. QRZ.
163 Alpha Tango 011, mobile station calling from the west coast of Wales and standing by.
Okay, 163 as Alpha Tango 011, I think it was, mobile west coast of Wales. Nice copy, very nice copy from 68 World Radio 048 Northern Ireland, also mobile, over.
Okay, 68 World Radio, I think it was 041, please excuse me, I got the number wrong, but anyway, a very good afternoon.